Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our BOXYCHARM base box for the month of July, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with BOXYCHARM, all the information will be listed down below. So if you would like to try out BOXYCHARM for yourself, all you have to do is hit the link down below, okay? So what we're gonna do is open the box and see exactly what's inside. And when you see the pink, you do know that this is the base box. Now, our theme for the month is FantaSEA. Okay, I like the play on words. Okay, and have the description card here, and we're just gonna go through, see exactly what's in here, and see how it might just work for us. So, the first item that we have is by the company Farmacy. All right, and this is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. All right, it says it's an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $28. And this is a 5 fluid ounce size. And this is what the product itself looks like. All right, and let's see what type of expiration date we have on here. Well, this is very interesting because it certainly doesn't have one. Okay, well, this says that it is mineral oil free, cruelty free, paraben free, phthalate free, synthetic fragrance free. All right. And farmer cultivated, scientist activated. All right, let's see. Since it has no expiration date, that's quite interesting, but it says it can be used daily, AM and PM, on wet skin, and massage onto face and neck in a circular motion. All right, may be used as a second cleanse following another one of their products, of course. All right, well, it is sealed, so won't be able to show you exactly what that's like. I have a current cleanser that I'm working with, which I'm absolutely loving, and once I see how it does for my skin, we'll talk about it. So then the next item that we have is by Deremelect, and this is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Alrighty. And this successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. All right. Its formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives. And it's in a It's in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $39. Okay, this is what the bottle itself looks like. And it is a 1 fluid ounce size. Okay, and it says you can use it twice a day. 2 to 3 times per week, gradually increasing frequently as tolerated. All right. And the expiration date on this one, which I do like the way this bottle looks, is 12 months. Now, I guess I'll be using this one because I certainly opened this bottle. I just want to see. So it's very liquidy. All right. Now, I do want to encourage you when you're putting on, serums and creams and stuff like that, do not wipe off the residue. Rub it in somewhere else on your skin. Now, I will tell you this. I'll let you in on a little bit of a secret. I don't know if you've noticed it or not. Our box totals seem to be very high, even though, and I'll get to these two in a minute, it's not a lot of makeup. And the reason is because of items like this, skincare products, very, very expensive. And so it pushes up the value of the box. So this one is $39, and if you remember, the Farmacy cleanser, that one was $28. The box, we've already paid for the box 2 times over, okay? So that's what I'm saying. Just kind of keep that in mind. All right, then the next item that we have is by the company Generation Skin. Okay, and this is what Generation Skin packaging looks like, and it's the hydrating marine algae eye patches. Okay, yet another skincare product. Okay, and this one is a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers, your eyes. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price, thank you for proving my point, $49. I'm telling you, it's the skincare that makes the value of our boxes climb so high. All right, this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, this says it's for the eyes. Oh, it's a patch. Ooh, okay. This I can open. Nice. Okay. When we open it, it has a scoop. Ah, look at that. This is what the patches themselves look like, so you know where to place them under the eye. Now, I'm gonna try to lean this so you can see it. Can you really see that? Okay, let's see. Okay, now what am I showing you? That each of the patches go in an opposite direction. Why? It makes it easier to remove. That's a good thing. So you're not pulling out more than what you need. Good stuff. That's very smart. Very smart. So I do like this. So let's get started using this one kind of right away. And this one, yes, I will be using this one. It has a 6-month shelf life. Okay, and it is 30 pairs. Not 30 of them where you're doing 15 times, but it's 30 pairs. Okay, so that means there are 60 of them in here. Okay, that gives us a fantastic chance to see exactly how they work for us. Okay, then the next item is by Grande Cosmetics, and that's this item right here. And this is the Plumping Liquid Highlighter. I am not going to open this because I have so many highlighters. So this one says a plumping liquid highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting system. This is interesting. Okay, I might have to recant what I said. Now, I'm very interested because this one says it is a rapid skin lifting system. It says, then uplift to firm and tighten fine lines. This pearlescent formula provides the plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin a radiant, luminescent glow. Okay. That's very interesting. And this shade that I have is called Bronze Beam. And this one has no expiration date on it because it's just this way. I don't know if it actually came in a box, but for packaging purposes, there isn't one, so we don't have that information. That's quite interesting. Well, I don't want to open it because we don't know how long it will last once it is opened. Plus, we might just put it in a giveaway. So we'll put that one to the side. And then the last item that we have is by Beauty Vault. And this is the Erupt lip set. This lip set includes a liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner to create a full luscious lip look. Manufacturer suggested retail price $18. The two products that are cosmetics, one is $18.50, the other one is $25. Okay, driving my point home. All right, and the shelf, ooh, that's beautiful. The shelf life on this one is 24 months. And the shade that I have, Natty Nat. And this is it. It's red. Let's see if it actually comes out red. Okay, but here is the lip liner that came with it. Boy, that serum feels really good, but this is the liner. Oh, beautiful. This is the shade, and it has blue undertones in it. Oh, that right there is gorgeous. Okay, can't wait to wear that one when we do our create and try on. That one's going to be interesting because the only thing we'd be able to do is our lips and possibly the highlighter if it's not in a giveaway. Okay, so this is very interesting. Very, very interesting. The box value is pretty decent on this one, but we know the reason why. So these are the items that are included in this month's BOXYCHARM base box. Down below you will see the manufacturer's total retail value for everything that was enclosed. Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we checked out the contents of this box, okay? And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,